Hey guys, so today we are doing a new segment on my channel called Cooking with Rachel. I have recently been obsessed with cooking videos, so that is what we are doing today. It is currently almost 3 in the morning right now. All of my family is asleep and I'm trying not to wake them up, but my brother's room's like right over there, so like he can probably hear me, but like it's fine. So today you're probably like, Rachel, what are we making? We are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. Now you're probably like, Rachel, are we making these from scratch? And the answer is no. No, I bought some nice chocolate chip mix and we're just gonna, have a little chat, bake together, have a little good time. So these are the cookies I bought, if you're wondering, which you're probably not, so yeah. Okay, so first thing is I gotta get all the ingredients. Okay, so I need to melt some butter, so I'm just gonna do that in my handy dandy microwave that's right above my stove, so yeah. Okay, now that the butter is softened, we're just gonna pour that in there, and then I'm just gonna crack 1 egg. I feel like a cooking show. Oh my god. Should I use a whisk? I never use these. I always use like a spoon. Maybe I'll use this. I feel like all the cooking shows use these. So yeah, it's my whisk tour. So it's just silver and looks like this. And yeah, and a tour. So I'm just gonna, how do people do this? Am I supposed to have water? This doesn't seem right. Oh god, it's all just getting stuck in the whisk. Okay, this whisk is not working, so we're just gonna use a spoon. Okay, so I finally have the batter semi-decent. I don't feel like stirring anymore though, so we're just gonna work with it. Now, I'm just gonna take my hands. Did I wash them? No. And we're just gonna, create little balls of cookies. So the cookies are baking right now, so we just gotta wait 10 minutes. So how was your guys' day? So story time. So my favorite thing to eat is Jimmy John's. And so the other day, I gave my brother $10 for this, by the way, so he could pay for the drive-to. I always get a Jimmy John's #1 with no tomato. No tomato, remember that. And this boy brings me it with tomato. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my boring story time. This is kind of a boring video. We'll see if I upload this. But yeah, I'm just gonna come back when the cookies are done, so yeah. Okay, so the cookies are done. I put them in for an extra 2 minutes just because they don't look right. They look really squishy, but like I think I'm just gonna let them sit and try and harden. Hopefully that fixes it. But yeah. Hi guys. So it is currently 3:35 in the morning, and I'm gonna try the cookies because, kind of have to. Oh. They're not bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. And love you guys. Bye.